With Invideo AI, you can effortlessly create complete AI-generated videos with scripts, voiceovers, and footage. These videos can gain hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of views each month, potentially earning you tens of thousands in ad revenue and affiliate marketing. This can all be done with just one simple prompt. In today's video, I'm going to answer whether Invideo AI is worth your money. As someone with a paid plan and extensive experience using the tool, I can provide a detailed overview. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe for future videos on passive income courses. The home dashboard of Invideo AI offers various features, including templates, AI text-to-video, stock media, and the normal editor. The templates section has over 5,000 customizable video templates. With the AI text-to-video feature, you can convert a script into a complete video. The stock media section provides access to over 1 million premium videos and photos. The normal editor is for professional video creation, allowing you to upload and edit your own videos. AI text-to-video. To get started with AI text-to-video, choose a template from the available options. Select the desired size, landscape for YouTube, square for Instagram, or portrait for short-form content. You can type your script, paste a pre-prepared script, or ask Invideo AI to generate a script for you. This feature sets Invideo AI apart, as it can create scripts based on your prompts. When generating your video, ensure you select iStock and Premium for the best quality footage. The free option provides clips from sources like Unsplash or Pexels, which may not match the quality of iStock or Premium sources. High-quality footage is crucial for a professional-looking video. Storyboard. Once your script is ready, Invideo will create scenes by matching your script with appropriate stock footage. The storyboard allows you to customize and finalize your video. You can adjust scenes if needed, ensuring your video meets your standards. Invideo is user-friendly, even for beginners. The combination of stock footage, script generation, and ease of use makes it a valuable tool for video creation. The paid plan offers significant advantages, including access to high-quality footage and more customization options. For just $20 per month, Invideo AI provides excellent value. It enables you to create professional videos without extensive effort, making it a worthwhile investment. I highly recommend Invideo AI for anyone looking to produce high-quality content efficiently. Editing your video with Invideo AI. Your video is divided into multiple scenes, each containing a part of your script. You can customize each scene, including the clips and text. Customizing clips. To change a clip, click on the Videos menu on the left, search for a clip, and choose from over 8 million stock footage clips from iStock and Storyblocks. This gives you high-quality options, making your video stand out compared to those using free stock footage. To add a clip, drag it into the media layer, preview it, and trim it to your desired length. Customizing text. You can edit the text by clicking on it or using the text menu. Add new text, typographies, filters, or social media call to actions. Customize the text by double-clicking on the text box, changing the font, size, and color. You can drag the text to reposition it within the video. Removing overlays. To remove unwanted overlays, unlock the element in the editor, select it, and press backspace. This simplifies editing by allowing you to find and remove elements easily. Invideo AI also offers various overlays that you can add to your video for more customization. When building your video, start with Scene 1 and work your way down. Review each scene, customize clips and text as needed, and proceed to the next scene. This step-by-step process ensures your video is cohesive and visually appealing. Voiceovers and background music. For YouTube monetization, a voiceover is required. Invideo AI supports adding voiceovers. You can record your own or use their text-to-speech feature to generate a professional-sounding voiceover. This, along with customizable background music, completes your video, making it ready for upload. It has a user-friendly interface, drag-and-drop editing, and extensive features make video creation accessible for everyone, from beginners to experienced creators. Adding voiceovers in Invideo. In Invideo, you have 4 options for adding voiceovers to your videos. In text-to-speech, use an AI-generated voiceover. 2. Upload files, import your own pre-recorded voiceover. 3. Record live. Use the software to record a voiceover in real time. The text-to-speech feature is the most commonly used option. To use it, select Scene 1, click on the voiceover option, and choose between legacy and realistic voices, with the latter being recommended for better quality. You can select your desired language and voice from the available options. Generating voiceovers. After choosing a voice, you can generate the voiceover for just one scene, or opt to create it for all scenes at once by selecting Add Automated Voiceover for all scenes. This saves you time by automating the process, allowing you to create a complete video quickly. Once the voiceovers are generated, adjust the background music volume for a better audio balance. For example, setting the music to about 60% volume can improve the overall quality of your video. Video creation process. Invideo's platform allows beginners to create professional-looking videos in a matter of minutes, incorporating clips, text, voiceovers, and background music effortlessly. Once your video is ready, you can export it, although a paid plan is necessary for high-quality exports. In case you encounter any issues during rendering, Invideo offers 24/7 live chat support to assist you. Templates and pricing. Invideo provides over 5,000 templates suitable for various types of videos, such as promotional content or YouTube intros. You can easily find a template using the search bar and customize it to fit your needs. Regarding pricing, Invideo offers a range of plans from free, plus starting at $20 and max starting at $48. A 7-day money-back guarantee is available for both the business and unlimited plans, providing a risk-free opportunity to try the service. It's recommended to avoid the free plan due to its limitations, including watermarks and lower video quality. The ease of use makes Invideo an excellent choice for anyone looking to create engaging video content quickly. And that sums it up. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.